Today, I'm going to show you a classic Korean noodle dish that is quick and fast called bi빔국수. Bi빔국수 is what we eat all throughout the year, but more so during the hot summer months when you really don't want to cook that much, and it's also served cold, so it's extra delicious. We're going to take our extra fermented kimchi that is still delicious, and we're going to add a few other ingredients and turn it into this like highly addictive, garlicky, spicy. It's so good that once it hits the lips, you can't stop eating. Sorry, I just gulped in my mouth. And we toss that with Somen noodles together. Ooh, you are about to enter the gates of noodle food heaven. 오늘의 레시피, 시원하고 정말 맛있는 비빔국수 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. Oh my god, that's so good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient product links that you could order online. To make our 비빔국수 seasoning sauce, here I have half a tablespoon of gochujang. And to this, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, all-purpose Korean soy sauce, 양조간장, half tablespoon of 현미식초. This is brown rice vinegar. If you can't get this, just use any distilled white vinegar. Half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And this is optional, but I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of 소고기 Dashida. This is beef bouillon powder. Vegan friends use YonDu or MSG instead. Now I want you to mix this up so all the ingredients kind of blend together nicely so that it looks like this. Oh, it smells so good already. And here is our star ingredient, 신김치. So this is kimchi that's been fermented for about 2 months now. So it's a bit tangy and a little sour, but still delicious. And here I have about half a cup of 신김치, and we're gonna add it to our bowl. And this is the secret ingredient. You need to add your delicious kimchi juice. Oh, you should taste it. If it tastes good, great. If it doesn't taste good, I don't know, don't use it. So we're gonna add 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of your extra fermented kimchi juice. That juice is gonna make or break your bi빔국수, and of course the kimchi too. And then using your kitchen shears, you wanna go in and just finely chop up your kimchi into small little pieces. Then we're gonna add 1 scallion, finely minced like so, to our bowl. And here I have red onions, just a little bit amount, but I want you to slice them as thin as you can go like that. And you know, this is probably like less than 1/10 of a small onion, just a little bit, but adding red onions, oh, takes it to another level of crunchy, sweet deliciousness. So I want you to just mix all this up, and that's it. This is it. It's easy peasy. So let's have a quick taste test and make sure we like it the way we like it, right? Oh my god, that's so good. It's spicy, tangy, garlicky, and then all that yummy taste that we love about kimchi together, and then the sesame oil took it to another level of like creamy taste that I can't stop like wanting to eat more of. Oh, this is so good. Can you make this ahead of time? No. You should make it and use it right away, or worst case, within the same day. Now onto our noodles, Somen noodles. So when it comes to Somen noodles, make sure you're first buying Korean Somen noodles. Not all Asian noodles taste the same. Seriously, not all. When it comes to buying Somen noodles, you wanna kind of spend a little more because you get what you pay for, so the higher quality of Somen noodles will cost more. And for those of you that cannot get to a Korean market or even order these online, and you could order these online and I'll have the link in the description box below. But if you can't, use Italian angel hair pasta. Those would work too. Just cook it a little bit more than al dente, so it's a bit on the softer side. Here is a very, very important tip when it comes to making noodles for Korean dishes. always, always, always cook your noodles right before you're ready to eat. So you don't want to make the kimchi seasoning sauce that we just made after you cook the noodles. Noodles that have been cooked and sitting around for like 10 minutes or longer, not the same. It gets sticky and gooey, and we don't like sticky and gooey. We like silky and delicious noodles that we could slurp. For our bi빔국수 today, we'll be using about 100 grams of our dried noodles called somen. Or you could use one of these pre-measured somen that weighs about 90 grams. Always, always use a large pot like so. I want you to fill it about halfway and bring it to boil. And I want you to get about 1 tablespoon of salt, and salt our boiling water, just like as you would when you cook Italian pasta. Then to this, we're gonna add our somen noodles. And always use a pot that's big enough so that your somen noodles go in like this and plunge right away. Do not use those narrow or small pots where the noodles cannot plunge in right away like this. Then on high heat, we're gonna boil our noodles for 3 minutes. You'll notice that as the noodles cook, it's gonna start foaming. But when you use a large pot like this, you do not have to worry about the foam cascading over your pot and making a huge mess on your stove. And stand over your stove and just casually move the noodles around like so. So it's been about 3 minutes, so let's do a quick taste test and see if our noodles are ready. So take out 2-3 strands of the noodles, dunk it in this cold water just to cool it down. And then I want you to have a taste. So at this point, your noodles should taste silky and soft, but not soggy. If it tastes soggy, you overcooked it. But if it still tastes like dough, then cook it a little bit longer and do another taste test. These noodles are ready, so I'm gonna turn the heat off completely, and we need to quickly bring this over to the sink ASAP. Then I want you to add some cold water on top, like so. Then we're gonna put it in a bowl. And the reason for doing this is to remove the excess starch and also to stop the noodles from cooking any further. So rinse in cold water like this for about 2-3 times, just until so that it's soft to touch and it's cold to touch. Pick it up and just shake it and toss it a little bit gently. And then I want you to let it sit here in the bowl for about 2 to 3 minutes max. So we're gonna take our noodles that we just cooked and it rested in the strainer for about 2-3 minutes, and we're just gonna add them here. And then we're gonna go in and just toss. Oh, look at that. Our noodles are mopping up the delicious kimchi seasoning relish that we made. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. I love the sound of the noodles being like tossed like this in this delicious sauce. Look at that. After you toss it, you need to eat it right away. Let's have a quick taste test and make sure it's seasoned the way we like it. Make sure you grab some of the noodles and some kimchi with it. Oh, I just gulped in my mouth already. Bon appetit, everyone. If you are a fan of kimchi and you love noodles, ooh, you need to have this or else you're totally missing out in life. 비빔국수 is one of my favorite noodle dishes to make quick and fast, and I eat it and I feel so good afterwards. I'm like, oh, life is pretty good today because I have bi빔국수 today. So after you plate your bi빔국수, you want to garnish with a little bit of cucumber sticks like so. I mean, it's optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but it always tastes great together. Then I would add some Kim crumbles on top like that. Then I would add half hard-boiled egg like that. Ooh, now it just looks extra delicious. And then the only other garnish to add is sesame seeds. Just like that. And it's done. And it's done. So pretty. We made it pretty with the garnish, but we're gonna have to destroy it. So you move the egg to the side and you go in like this and you pull and lift, pull and lift so that the cucumbers and the seaweed mixes in with our seasoning. Oh my goodness, I'm having a hard time speaking because I'm just drooling in my mouth right now. Sorry. Let's have a perfect bite together. So I like to get some of the cucumbers and the kimchi, seaweed, and our red onion that we put together and have it all together. Food makes me happy. What can I say? Bon appetit, everyone. Having it with the cucumbers and the seaweed just made everything taste a little bit extra good. Like the cucumbers adds that refreshing, crunchy taste, like a salad taste in your mouth. I'm gonna inhale all this like right now. And so should you. So make this at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Yes, it's totally okay to slurp your noodles in Korean cuisine. Just don't be obnoxious about it. 집에서 맛있게 후루룩 드세요. Now, if you want to check out more Korean noodle recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and click on the playlist tab and select Korean noodles recipe playlist. And I have so many summer-friendly cold noodle recipes that you could check out, especially during the hot summer months, as well as your traditional warm noodle dishes. So I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and perhaps share this recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.